can't buy happiness, but you can buy a motorcycle. And that's basically the same thing.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think
KTM's 890 Duke from the brand's 2022 lineup offers many sportier traits and continues to be a reference in terms of power-to-weight ratio and agility applied to a naked mid-displacement sports motorcycle.
I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah,
As in the KTM 890 Duke R, the engine on this Austrian bike is the LC8 889 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder that delivers 115 horsepower and 92 Nm of torque. Its ride-by-wire riding modes are managed through a color TFT screen to modulate throttle response, traction control, power delivery, and anti-wheelies from a less to more sporty perspective. In addition, the 890 Duke features Continental Conti Road tubeless tires.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah.
The 890 Duke's 6-speed gearbox features a shorter lever with lighter springs for easier actuation with optional support from the Quickshifter Plus system to shift up and down without touching the clutch lever. All these electronics are under the control of a 6-axis IMU inertial control unit, as in the KTM 1290 Super Duke R. It also intervenes on the ABS, a system with cornering actuation and a supermoto option to allow the rear axle to lock.
I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
The cycle parts scheme relies on a multi-tubular configuration with a one-piece aluminum subframe. In addition, the suspensions have been revised in their settings, with an inverted fork with 43mm WP apex bars and a rear shock absorber from the same brand. The 2022 KTM 890 Duke starts at $11,299 $12,399 Canadian dollars.
To appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah.